Hey everyone, and so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get 5,000 followers on TikTok using TikTok ads. And this is specifically for the people who are worried about that new update in which TikTok is starting to ban accounts using that TikTok shop loophole method where people were able to apply for the TikTok affiliate creator program without actually having 5,000 followers. So if you're looking to get 5,000 followers with paid ads, let's get started. Do follow along with me by clicking on the link down below while I show you how to set up your TikTok ads and exactly what to look out for when it comes to actually running these ads so that you get 5,000 followers for the cheapest affordable price. So when you first land on this page, what you actually want to do is first scroll down and actually create your account. So enter your email and enter your password. And then click on continue. Afterwards, you just want to go ahead and confirm your email by going to your email and then clicking on the verification code that they sent you. So enter that right over here. Afterwards, just fill this information out. So I usually just click on others, business name. Now, if you don't have a business name, you can just enter what your proposed business name will actually be. Just click on accept here. Now, you have to set up your billing information next. So you just simply enter the state that you're from. I set mine to automatic payment as far as aside from just manual payment, just so I don't have to worry about it. And then click on go to ads manager. Now from here, what you want to do is that you want to go ahead and click on advanced. And now from here, what you want to do is click on community interaction. And then name your campaign, whatever it is. So I usually base my campaign names on what my video is about. So the example that I used when it came to getting 5,000 followers, I used whatever was in the video. So in my video, there was a potato. So name your campaign whatever you want. Now for the campaign budget, I usually set this to you can set to at least $50. I set mine to $80. You can set the budget wherever you want if you want more followers faster. I mean, at the beginning stages though, I do recommend using a lower budget just to kind of understand what your CPM is like. And I'll be explaining what that is later in the video. So I like to set this to $80 per day. Now, when you input the number here, do keep in mind that it's not guaranteed that you're going to spend $80 per day. I mean, once you actually are manual in charge of your ads, you can take a look at it and then turn some ads off and turn some ads on. But with this, I mean, if it does run the whole day, there's a chance that you are going to spend a max budget of $80, but sometimes also you will not be spending $80. So you just have to keep a careful eye on it. Click on continue. Now for this whole section, again, you can name your ad group whatever you want. I just put number 1 and then scroll down. You don't have to touch anything here. I usually do United States as far as the location goes because I want US based followers. Scroll down. Now you don't have to touch anything aside from the scheduled start time. Okay. So for this one here, I normally start it within the next 2 hours, but with a brand new account, what's going to happen is that once you start running ads on a brand new account, they're going to have to review your account. And that usually takes it took my last account maybe 4 to 6 hours to actually review the account. And then after they review the account, then they review the ad. So with that, I usually start it 4 hours later or 5 hours later. If you're more towards the end of the day, you can just start it at midnight the next day. So today right now is May 4th. Maybe you want to start it at midnight May 5. So it starts that day. But again, keep in mind that once you actually do start your ad, it's going to review the account, which is pretty easy. It's fairly quick, 4 to 6 hours. And after it reviews the account, it then reviews the ad. For this purpose, we'll do May 5th, starting at midnight. You just want to double check that your optimization goal is set to follow. And if it's not, change it to follow, but it should be set up. Then click on next. Now here where it says under ad name, you want to scroll down and click where it says post authorized by account. So what you do here is that you click on authorized TikTok post, and then you want to enter your TikTok post code and then click on search. So in order to get your TikTok post code, I'm going to go on my phone right now. Now, if you haven't already, now is when you want to post the video that you want to promote on TikTok ads. So once you post the video that you want to promote on TikTok ads, you want to go ahead and actually click on that video. Then on the bottom right-hand corner, there's 3 dots. So click on those 3 dots and then scroll all the way to the right until you see the word ad settings. Click on ad settings. And then you should be on a page called content disclosure and ads. You want to toggle on ad authorization. So go ahead and click that on. Just set it to 365 days, then click on authorize. Now where it says video code, you want to click on generate. So now it says video code pending. This is going to take a couple minutes, but what I usually do is I just save it. And now it says video code ready. You want to click on manage and then click on copy code. Now, get that code over onto your desktop or laptop and paste that here. So I normally just text it to myself or write it on a notepad. So now from here, where it says post authorized by account, you want to click on single video and then click on TikTok post. And then you want to check the post that you added here. So simply just check on that and then click on confirm. So you want to make sure that you have this box ticked off, and where it says by checking this box, you confirm that you have the rights to the music. Leave this box unchecked and then go in and click on submit. Now here is where you're going to have to add your new payment method. So you can use credit or debit card and then PayPal. So once you enter in that information, you're just going to click on submit and then your ad should be running. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be showing like my actual ad campaign on another account, just so I can give you an idea and tell you what to actually look out for. So now once you actually have your ad launch, you want to go ahead and click on campaign. And then just to let you know, with a brand new TikTok ad account, it's going to take some time for them to actually review your ad account, okay, the ad account as a whole. So right down here, it might be saying ad account in review. And again, that's going to take maybe like 3 to 6 hours. Then once your account is reviewed, they're then going to review your ad. So with that ad, it's going to say not delivering yet, ad in review. So that may take another 1 to 2 hours. So from here though, you want to go ahead and click on ad group. So when you click on ad group, this is where you're going to see your ad. And so from here, what you want to do is you actually want to have multiple ads running, because when you scroll to the right, the main metric that you're going to be looking out for is CPM. And CPM is how much you're paying for 1,000 views. So for this one here, I'm paying $6 for 1,000 views, whereas this one here, I'm paying $63 for 1,000 views. So with that being said, my automatic instinct should be that I should turn off this ad ASAP and keep this ad since it's a lower cost. You could also scroll more to the right and see how much the cost is per result. So again, recall how this one's $63 per 1,000 views. I'm paying 44 cents per follower. Whereas this one over here, the $6 CPM ad group, I'm only paying 8 cents per follower. So as a rule of thumb, try to get your followers for less than 6 cents, okay? And when you copy each of the ads, you can use the same exact video, okay? So you can use the same exact video, but keep in mind that if your video itself just doesn't like convert well, you're normally going to get a higher CPM. But make multiple ads. Sometimes the same exact video will get a lower CPM because TikTok is showing it to the correct audience. Whereas sometimes the same video ad will get a higher CPM just because TikTok is showing it to a different audience. So for my ad campaign in particular, I made 2 videos. One was me throwing the potato, and then the other one was me watering the potato, so that I would actually have like 2 distinct different videos that I'm running ads on. And it turns out the one where I was watering the potato had a lower CPM, and then the one where I was throwing the potato had a higher CPM. Now, when you actually go in and click on copy, you could just enter the number of copies here. So I'll just show you one. Now from here, you want to keep everything the same except for the schedule. Set this to the midnight of the next day and then click on continue to ads. Now, if you do plan on running a second video to run ads to, you're going to do the same exact thing. You're going to post it onto your TikTok account, grab the ad authorization. So again, click on authorize TikTok post, and then get that different ad code for that different video and paste it here. And then once you paste that ad code there, click on single video, then click on post, and you're going to see that other video appear here. So simply just check the ad video that you want to run ads towards, and then just click on publish. Okay, so that's how you connect a different video ad to your campaign. At this point, you should probably have around like 4 to 6 ads running, ideally 2 different videos. But then with that, once your ads are running, this is actually what you're going to be looking out for. You click on ad. So what you want to look out for here is that first, in order to turn on and off an ad, you simply just click on this toggle button on the left-hand side. Okay, so these ads are on, these ads are off. And again, what you're looking for is the CPM. Okay, so ideally you want a CPM that's lower, like around $6 or lower. So this ad here was a $63 CPM. This one here was a $60 or $36 CPM. So I instantly turned those off. All right. Now, when you scroll to the right, you can see the results. So how many followers you actually gained from the ad, and also the cost per result. So I had 8 cents per follow, 11 cents per follow. Ideally, you want that to be 6 cents or lower per ad, but it also depends on how much you're willing to spend. Now, with that being said, once you actually hit 5,000 followers, you can click on campaign and then just turn the entire campaign off. So once you click this off, all your ads are going to shut off, and then you will be done. So with that being said, that's how you actually run ads to get TikTok followers. It's really easy. Okay, I'd say that my videos are only around like 6 to 12 seconds each. And what you want to do, okay, just as another pointer, is that you want to be promoting a video that is engaging. Okay, engaging, that is potentially go viral. And with that video, that's the video that you want to run ads to. And then it's also very important to have a CTA within your ad. So within the videos that I created for this ad campaign, there was a CTA saying follow for part 2. So with that, I'll be leaving a link to the videos down below so you can check them out. But also do rewatch this video and follow along with it. But this is how you run ads in order to get 5,000 followers, in order to get qualified for the TikTok shop. So if you have any questions, do comment down below. I'd be more than happy to help. This is what's helped me hit that 5,000 follower mark. So obviously, if you already have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 followers, you're not going to be having to spend as much compared to a brand new account. Just from what I've noticed is that this does tend to work better on a brand new account, just because there seems to be like a leverage or algorithm and push when it comes to new TikTok accounts being created. But if you already have 2,000 followers, it is technically going to be cheaper for you to run ads to your account in order to hit that 5,000 subscriber mark. So again, if you're ready to get started with TikTok ads, again, rewatch this video, click the link down below in order to get started. Now, with that being said, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Ask me any questions if you have any down below.